Expressing thanks in Igbo, you can say imeela, or you say daalụ, or you say mma, or deme. You can as well say ekelem. For morning greetings, you can say ibolachi, or you say iputala, or you say itelora, or you say isalachi, or you can as well say ụtụtụ ọma. So which of these do you prefer to use? For me personally, I prefer to use imeela or daalụ for expressing gratitude. And for morning greeting, I prefer to use ibolachi. So which of these do you prefer to use? Let us know